Chainlink, what is it all about? Link explained. Traditionally, blockchains and smart contracts were only concerned with what's happening within them. Later, attempts were made to enable smart contracts to interact across blockchains and access key resources not on blockchain but outside, like data feeds and web application programming interfaces, APIs. One such effort led to a new kind of network, Chainlink. Chainlink is a decentralized blockchain oracle network built on Ethereum platform. Chainlink connects tamper-proof data from off-chain sources to on-chain smart contracts. In essence, Chainlink makes blockchain smart contracts communicate with external world entities. Brief history. Created in 2017 by Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis, Chainlink serves as an interface between a blockchain and the off-chain elements. This network that uses smart contracts was launched in 2019. Steve Ellis co-authored a white paper on Chainlink protocol with Cornell University's professor, 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐤. Smart contracts are essentially a set of statements in a program residing on the blockchain, like Ethereum. These are executed automatically when certain conditions in the programming code are met. Chainlink has enabled several integrations. In 2018, Chainlink integrated Town Crier, a blockchain oracle that connects Ethereum blockchain with web sources that work on HTTPS. In 2020, Chainlink integrated 𝐥𝐤𝐤, a Cornell project created by Jules. Chainlink's underlying technology. The network Chainlink is a decentralized oracle open source infrastructure, enabling blockchains to connect to external information. Blockchains are made of multiple computers connected over a network, and each computer is referred to as a node. The nodes in the blockchain fetch, verify and deliver the data from multiple entities to the smart contracts to be executed on the chain. The node operators are rewarded by the network's native cryptocurrency, Link. Chainlink can be used to perform various off-chain operations and computations, using a feature known as Verifiable Random Function, VRF. This functionality can be used in random number generations that are useful in decentralized gaming. Benefits of Chainlink. Chainlink network offers quite a few benefits. Some of these include: they enable interaction between blockchain smart contracts and the external world, thereby enhancing their functionality. They are designed to be used with any blockchain, which enhances the scope for better integrations. The nodes feeding reliable data into the network are financially rewarded with its Link tokens. It has partnered with top-notch companies such as Swift and Google. It helps businesses thrive by providing authentic outside data through Oracle APIs. It offers a high degree of scalability, as in, it can handle huge amount of data. It provides an extremely efficient security system to its users, ensuring their cryptocurrency is secure. It is highly safe and secure as it services smart contracts, which act in place of a third party, in case of any breach of contract involving two parties. Understanding Chainlink. Smart contracts are predefined agreements on a blockchain that are automatically executed when certain conditions are met. Here's an example. Say, if 20 ETH will be deposited into the smart contract by a certain date, then payment will be released to the freelancer, else it is retained with the client. Then, in this case, the process is executed automatically through smart contracts once the condition is satisfied, thereby enhancing the level of trust and eliminating the need of intermediaries. For smart contracts to fetch data from outside sources, not on the blockchain, they need those off-chain data in an on-chain form. Only then do smart contracts work. This requires the need for a middleware software to connect the smart contracts on the blockchain to external world data and back again. Oracle comes into picture. However, having one centralized oracle invalidates the purpose of blockchain and smart contracts, which are themselves decentralized. Thus, Chainlink, which is a decentralized oracle open source technology, was launched connecting the off-chain elements with on-chain data. Chainlink validating the data. First, Chainlink nodes take the request for data. Then, using the Chainlink core software, they convert the on-blockchain programming language to an off-blockchain programming language that the external world entities can understand. This version of request is sent to an external API that collects data from that source. It is then translated back into on-blockchain programming language using the Chainlink core and sent to the smart contract. Chainlink has an aggregating smart contract, which can validate data from a single source, multiple sources, and also reconcile the data gathered from multiple sources. Thus, Chainlink offers an efficient and robust way to validate the data across blockchains and the outside world. Role of Link tokens. Link is native token of Chainlink, which is used to financially reward the node operators for their work. Prices are determined by node operators and the current market data. Chainlink node operators can stake Link tokens in the network. Nodes with greater stakes are selected for fulfilling the requests. Link is built on Ethereum ERC-20 standard for digital currency. It can be bought or sold with fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies. Link and its worth. Link is Chainlink's native cryptocurrency. The token is targeted at enhancing financial growth, similar to ETH and BTC. Launched in 2017, Link's price was under 20 cents while it began rising tremendously in 2020. It soared from $2 in early 2022 as high as $36 in February 2021. Though Link's price rose to $36 in 2020, it dropped and hasn't yet touched that mark again. Link prices are volatile, and from an investment standpoint, it is a go-ahead, if only for the technology it rests on. Buying Chainlink, LINK. Similar to other cryptocurrencies, Chainlink, LINK, can be bought from various crypto exchanges such as Kraken, Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, and Crypto.com. Closing thoughts. Chainlink is certainly a step further in the blockchain technology, serving as a bridge between off-chain data and on-chain smart contracts. As Chainlink is Ethereum-based, the issues in Ethereum could adversely affect Link's price. However, with blockchain technology and crypto space expanding, the Chainlink innovation could act as a powerful move to boost the industry.